How to turn off Upwork notifications. Hey everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. If you're using Upwork on your phone and want to stop receiving notifications, you can easily disable the Upwork notification from your device. First of all, go ahead and open up your settings application on your Android or iOS. Inside the settings app, scroll down and tap on notifications. Inside notifications, scroll through the app list at the bottom and look for Upwork and tap on it. Now, you'll see this Allow Notification tab on the next page. Toggle off the switch right next to it to disable notifications. So right after you do that, Upwork will no longer send notification to your iPhone or your Android. So that is how it's done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.